Hey everyone, this is Karts, Motorcycles, etc. coming to you with another video. And I'd like to give a shout out to my new subscriber, BMI Karts. I've been trying to get these people for a while, so maybe I can get them to help me with some of my builds. Lord knows I spend enough money with them. So basically this video is about as you know, I've been working on this yellow jacket go-kart for a while. I went to the weld shop today, got all the stuff welded up, looks really nice. You'll see this in this video that I put together. So enjoy. Get some video while I'm at it.
Oh, it's hot. See what we fixing to do.
Hey everyone, it's me again. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I may be at the weld shop. So I'd like to give a shout out to all my guys at Small Engine Nation for life, always. Twisted R, Craig Durbin, Captain Jack, Doug Sweeney. Let's see who else. Oh yeah, Hot Rod J21. And if I forgot anybody, you know, when you're 50 years old, it's your memory ain't as good as it used to be. Alright, I'll see y'all on the next video, and we'll continue this project, and I hope you enjoy it. See ya.